Who says you can't Spectraflame a Tootsie Toy? Welcome back to Opa's Diecast Restoration. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Today we're doing this Tootsie Toy that I got from Charlie at Big Charlie's Model Garage. It's a rather beat up model. Let's start by grinding the ends off of the axles. There ain't much to these Tootsie Toys, as you know. These axles were really rusted and corroded. Tires were dirty. Let's get the body into the stripper, our favorite stripper, Fifi La Citresse. Goodbye, little blue buddy. Glug, 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 glug. Chuck up our axles in our drill. Get some sandpaper on it and get that corrosion off. Like I said, I got this car with a group of others for getting my name drawn in Big Charlie's Model Garage's giveaway. Get our tires all scrubbed up here. They had a lot of dirt in them. Hot water also softens them up, kind of revives them. Number 2 scrubbed up here. Oh, hey, there you go, fumble fingers. Oh, now you got your big ugly head in the video. After they were dry, I gave them a little tire wash. Bring back some of the dark black color in them. Set them aside to dry. I don't know if I mentioned this last time I did this, but it's an old trick here to kind of get a little anti-rust protection. Heat up your axles till they're red hot and dip them in some kind of oil. Turns them black, and it slows down the rusting process. I learned this from my grandfather. Charlie over at Big Charlie's Model Garage told me he grew up on a farm, and this was a common practice also, so I guess it's been around for a while. Here's that black coating on them. The heat kind of bakes the arl on them. After the tires were dry, I dipped each one into the Pledge Revive It. Gave them another good shine on them. Here's the car right out of the stripper. Use some Mother's aluminum polish and buffing wheel. Get them all polished up, or get it all polished up. Here's what it looked like. Got a good shine on it. Got some little boogers in the metal, but I wasn't too much worried about it. There's our color of Spectraflame I made up. I guess it's a cross between Aqua and Windex. Sprayed on a light to heavy coat, I guess you'd call it, for the first coat. The camera doesn't do it justice, but it had just a light blue tint to it. Here's what she looked like after the final coat. I didn't want to go with a real dark blue. I was trying to get it blended into the color that it was originally, only now it's Spectraflame blue. Getting the tires back on and the axles. And I just lightly peen the ends over. If you hit it too hard, the axles bend. That's what we started with. About 80% of the paint was gone. Beat up, worn out Tootsie Toy. I don't know what kind of vehicle it is. Looks like some kind of a GM product. I had gotten it again, like I said, from a giveaway at Big Charlie's Model Garage. Here's what we ended up with. I added the details in, the tail lights, the chrome bumpers, the hood ornament. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. I got more to come. For now, this is Opa saying goodbye. Oh, and yes, you can Spectraflame a Tootsie Toy.